ever wondered what to do with those rusty old garden tools lying around in your shed? Shovels, rakes, watering cans, all gathering dust? Well, today we are going to show you how to give those old tools a new life. Repurposing your old garden tools not only saves you money but also adds a unique charm to your garden. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, give those tools a good clean. Use a wire brush to scrub off any rust or dirt. Then, apply some oil to prevent further rusting. Now let's get creative. An old rake can quickly become a rustic wine glass holder. Simply mount it on the wall, tines facing out. Voila, a perfect place to hang your stemware. Next, let's talk about those shovels. Ever thought of turning one into a unique planter? All you need is to affix a box or a pot to the blade. It's a fun way to display your favorite blooms. Perhaps you have an old ladder lying around? Don't toss it out. Instead, give it a fresh coat of paint and use it as a plant stand. Its rungs make the perfect shelves for your potted beauties. And don't forget about those old wheelbarrows. They can be transformed into charming garden benches with just a little carpentry work. These are just a few examples of how you can repurpose your old garden tools. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, it's all up to your imagination and creativity. Remember, these projects are not only fun, but also environmentally friendly. You're reducing waste by giving a new life to items that would otherwise be discarded. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your old, unused garden tools into something beautiful and functional. And there you have it, folks. Repurposing old garden tools not only reduces waste, but it also injects a unique charm into your garden. A little creativity goes a long way in giving your tools a second life. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. See you in the next video.